Yeah, feeling good. 2012's right around the block. Throw your hands up, throw your hands up, throw your hands up, party all night. Throw your hands up, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. We party all night, party all night. Throw your hands up, 2012. Throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Resolutions being fulfilled. We partying, yeah. Throw your hands up, hands up. Everybody wanna see me coming, running, gunning for these niggas, but their hands up. Too much drinking, too much smoking, but we all partying, party rocking, cause it's something. It means something to us. Resolutions 2012, yeah, that's a new us. Every year it's a new us. So I'ma do this in the club, so you people party rocking all night. Throw your hands up, throw your hands up. If you feel me, come on, throw your hands up. Pittsburgh, throw your hands up. Buffalo, throw your hands up. Everybody in our nation, throw your hands up. Cause New Year's, we got that Hennessy. Yeah, we smoking King Kong fingers one at a time, please. Almost dazing, almost steady blazing, but you never gonna sit again. I'm Bill Gates on the next year. Yeah, 2 more days and it'll be the next year. New year resolution is to make it to the top, so I don't have to stop. Never gonna stop, no, party rockin', party in the place, so you better get it poppin'. It'll be, baby. Yeah, I get it rockin', so throw your hands up, throw your hands up, throw your hands up if you feel me. Come on with me, Houston coming with me. I don't care, people in the place of days enough, but don't fall asleep until the blues are all gone. That's 1 rule, 2 rule, 3 rules. Man, this is the year to forget the rules, because we on top. I'm on top, I'm running the game, baby, I'm on spot. So, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Party people, throw your hands up if you feel me. Throw your hands up. Pittsburgh, throw your hands up. Buffalo, everybody throw your hands up for me. Cause I'm going in, going hard. Stick me with an IV, because I'm losing oxygen from this brain. This main on my brain, because I'm coming in, man, I'm so insane. You're messing over everything, man. You're like a bitch, but you ain't nothing to me, cause you're just a snitch, PMSing about me, get off my dick, cause you know I'm just going in on this, cause I'm ready to party, I'm ready to go, I'm ready to get it naughty with this body. Call me Sporticus, yeah, Sporticus. Throw your hands up, people. Throw your hands up for the new year. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Pittsburgh, throw your hands up. Let's go. Happy New Year, everybody. Little B.